have had this guitar for over a decade. The idea was that my husband and I both wanted to learn how to play the guitar, so we got this fantastic basic Yamaha guitar. It is beautiful and it holds up wonderfully. It has gorgeous sound. It is very, very easy to tune, and it just feels really nice. It is the perfect beginner guitar because it's not some crazy investment. It is a great price for a great quality instrument that you can really learn how to play, you can use and abuse without worrying about the quality of the instrument. The tuning is very easy to do. The strings go in very easily at the bass, easy to tie, and the tuning itself is very clear, high quality metal tuning. Now, I would admit that when we started to learn how to play, my husband flew past me, so I stopped trying to learn. But here's how it sounds. It gives you that beautiful vibration. It's a very warm tone guitar, and it feels good. It feels good to hold. It feels good to move up and down and choose my strings. And we use a little tuner to keep it easy because I do not have an ear for the correct notes. So I need this little tool, but you can do it however you want. The reality is, if you're learning how to play guitar, I cannot recommend a better guitar than this, and it's all you need. You can immediately play with your fingers. I prefer playing with my fingers. We have picks as well. And if there was one thing I would add on, it would be some little tiny tuner so it's easy for you to have it in tune. So you're focused on learning how to play and not on trying to figure out how to keep it in tune. And that is the Yamaha guitar, an absolutely beautiful acoustic guitar for you, for your family, for your home.